Hello everybody, thanks, welcome to the bush. Guys, a lot of people ask me, why don't you like the bush so much? And you don't like the beach. It's not that I don't like the beach. It are pretty. However, you know, the wall fishes and the dolphine and things, they poof in the water, and when you swim it, the poof hit you in the gefreet. It's like, yeah. However, they got some nice things there. Like for instance, the prawn. Yeah, it are like a pink worm. Okay, but it tastes very delicious, nee? However, here by the bushes, we've also got a prawn. Okay, but it are not delicious, and you don't eat it, but you gaan frack. Okay, and it are bloody hideous. Just look at this. Yeah, that are what we call a Parktown prawn. Okay, it's got two huge teeth here that gaff you like that. Eh? And when it gets scared, it poof out this brown stuff that looks like Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, yeah, and they can kill you, these things, man. So don't stick your finger there, okay? Okay, thanks.